Welcome to this podcast, where we're going to learn how to create a story-driven animation in the style of Disney or Pixar, using only free AI tools. Our goal? To visually and cinematically bring to life the cultural and historical elements of a beautiful ancient city through a child-friendly story. No prior animation experience? No worries. All you need is a simple idea and a few tools, and I'll guide you step by step through the entire process in a practical and easy way. The first step is to come up with a compelling story idea. Even if you have no clue where to start, ChatGPT can act like your creative sidekick. Just ask it to create a children's story. For example, one where a young boy or girl discovers a magical item, like a flying carpet, that takes them into a world full of culture and history. After a short conversation, ChatGPT will give you a full story, including the plot, characters, and even scene suggestions. Once you have your story, it's time to create a storyboard. But since we'll be using AI tools that work in English, the storyboard must be written in English. You can ask ChatGPT to break your story down, scene by scene, into English. This will later be used inside LTX Studio to generate cinematic shots for each scene. LTX Studio is a powerful AI-based creative platform designed specifically for filmmaking. All you need to do is input your English storyboard and it automatically divides the story into cinematic scenes. Then it generates multiple shots for each scene, all in high quality and in a Disney Pixar animation style. When starting your project in LTX Studio, you can customize your animation's visual settings, image size, visual style like Disney Pixar, and aspect ratio for platforms like YouTube or TikTok. You can also define how your characters look, even upload real photos to turn them into animated characters. Some shots may need manual adjustments, so be sure to pick and fine-tune the best one. Character development: create your key characters, like the hero, say Sarah, or her grandmother. You can build them from scratch, customize their appearance, and adjust facial expressions and body posture. Features like face expressions or neck movement help bring their emotions to life. Once your scenes are created, head over to the mission editor. This is where you can review and fine-tune every shot, remove duplicate characters, replace parts of an image with new elements, or use tools like Generate Fill and Remove Object to enhance the visuals. Make sure the faces, colors, backgrounds, and cultural elements across your scenes are consistent and well-matched. Now it's time to animate your still images. While tools like Runway ML or MiniMax can do this, in this podcast, we'll focus on MiniMax. Simply upload your images, choose your animation model, and let the magic happen. Some images may need a few tries to get just right. That's totally normal. For narration, instead of apps like Vera, we'll use Google AI Studio. Write your final voiceover script with the help of ChatGPT if needed, and enter it into the tool. It will generate natural, professional quality voiceovers suitable for both educational and storytelling projects. You can choose between male or female voices. Music and sound effects. To set the mood, use royalty-free music from websites like Pixar or YouTube Audio Library. Genres like cinematic or children's music are a great fit. For sound effects, like marketplace ambience, nighttime sounds, or a flying carpet whoosh, check out free SFX libraries on Pixar. To wrap it all up, use the free app CapCut for editing. Arrange your animated images, narration, music, and sound effects on the timeline. Sync the audio, adjust image colors, and add transitions like whoosh or filters to give your video a polished look. Make sure the narrator's voice is always clear and well mixed. After editing, it's time to export your animation. Choose the resolution and format that fits your platform, like 1080p for YouTube or 720p for Instagram. Now your final video is ready to share. Don't forget to include links to all the tools and steps in your video description, so others can learn and create their own animated stories too.